Hello guys, this is our new video. Today we will learn about problematic situations while traveling. We will learn vocabulary about emotions or feelings and also phrasal verbs to express complaints today. Let's get started. Okay, so here we have a question, and the question says, what are some problems you could face when you travel? Here we have 4 pictures that show us some examples of them, right? Let's start with the first one. Delayed flight. Delayed flight is a problem that we can face. Another one is cold food. Next, messy hotel room, and finally, problems with reservation. Remember, these 4 situations show us possible problems at the moment of traveling. But here, we can use some vocabulary about feelings or emotions that we can use to express these situations. We have the first one. Do you identify the possible words? Surprised or amazed. What about this one? Bored or fed up. Number 3, excited or thrilled. The next one, frustrated or upset. Next, glad or inspired. Let's continue. This emoji represents blue or down when you feel sad. Remember, blue or down, annoyed or mad, ashamed or embarrassed. This one, afraid or terrified. And finally, terrified or shocked. You see, these 2 emojis can represent the same. Okay, here we have a conversation between 2 boys, and the first makes a question. And the question he asked to this person is, how would you feel if you get cold food at a restaurant? You see, we are recycling the vocabulary that we've seen during the sessions. And the answer that he gives is, I would feel frustrated. Okay, you identify would? Would is in the answer and would is in the question. Remember that would, it's a modal verb. And remember that in level 3, your professors told you that would is like in Spanish, iría of the next verb, right? So I would feel frustrated because I am paying for that food. Okay, so if you notice, normally when you complain is because you don't like something. So the question is, what is a complaint? Is when you are not happy with the services and you ask for a solution. Yes? When you are not happy with the services at a restaurant, for example, or maybe at Transmillennium, or at your university, or maybe at home. But in this case, in the PowerPoint presentation, the situation that we have is at a restaurant. So, there are 2 people here. One is the waiter, and the other is the possible customer. And it says, there is a fly, a mosquito, there is a fly in my soup. I want to speak to the chef. And it says, certainly, sir. Yes? So we can express a complaint using our feelings or our emotions. Do you remember thrilled, excited, blue. Okay, those are the words that we can use. Okay, that is one option. The other option is if you don't want to use the vocabulary of emotions, there are some words that you can use that are called phrasal verbs. Okay, but what is a phrasal verb? Phrasal verbs are made up, are compound by two words. One is going to be the verb plus a preposition. For example, this is a modal verb, fed up. You see, fed is a verb and up is a preposition. Be careful because we can't translate fed up separated. Yes? Because the two words together have the definition of to be angry or furious about something or someone. For example, I am fed up with my girlfriend. She always calls me when I'm with my friends. You see? So fed up is like to be furious, mad with someone. Here we have a chart, yes, and the chart contains 5 phrasal verbs. Be fed up, have enough, calm down, let someone down, and deal with something. Okay. Next, beside, we find the definition. To relax, to manage a situation, to be angry, to reach a limit, or to disappoint someone. Yes? We are going to see what is the possible definition for each phrasal verb. Let's start. We have the first one that is fed up. Fed up means to be angry. Then we have enough. It means to reach a limit, let someone down, to relax, and finally deal with something, to disappoint someone. To manage a situation. Thanks for watching this video.